made a video in a while, so I decided to just make a sort of compilation video of a few projects I've been working on for the past few months. So in December it was my brother's birthday and I decided to make a stuffed toy of an Enderman for him. Because he really likes Minecraft and it's a little figure in Minecraft. Here's a picture. And yeah, I just followed the tutorial. I'll link it down below. It was a really great tutorial how to make a stuffed Enderman toy, but I sized it down a bit because that was really big. And I started by just making the head, and it was kind of easy. It wasn't really complicated because they are all just, you know, blocked figures, so it wasn't that hard, but it was a lot of work, especially like the legs were so much work because I had to sew a lot, and then turning them inside out was actually really hard, and then stuffing them, and then also the tops and the bottoms of the legs, these little things, I had to sew them on by hand because I couldn't get in there with the sewing machine. So it ended up taking quite some time, but I really like how it ended up looking. I really like the results. So yeah, you'll see it in a moment. And I think it turned out like a really cute little toy. And also my brother was really happy with it, so that was also great. So on to the second project, and this one was actually really easy. I just used an old picture frame with 3 little frames, and then I used the dried flowers that I picked and dried in a video like somewhere in March, really long time ago. I'll link it if you want to watch it. And yeah, I just took my time to sort out the flowers and make a nice little display with them. I kind of sorted them by color, but also I rearranged them a few times till I just liked how the 3 different frames looked separately and also together. Then I just really quickly glued all of them down, just with some clear elementary glue. Then I put all the glass bits back into the frame, and yeah, that was basically it. It was kind of hard to get them in sometimes because they were a little thicker because of all the flowers, but it worked, and this was honestly just such an easy DIY project, but I really like how it looks. I think it has a very nice, delicate, kind of romantic look to it, especially with like the sun shining through. I think it looks really nice. And also in the next frame you can see the sunset, or I think it was sunrise, shining through the glass, and I think this was just so pretty. Anyways, this next project was a lot of fun. I was at my friend's house and we decided to tie-dye some t-shirts, only it went a little wrong the first time. The t-shirts turned entirely purple, and that's not really how tie-dye works. So then we wrapped them up again, and this time with elastics instead of the ropes we had used earlier. And then we used a bleach solution, like watered down bleach, to dye them again, and it honestly turned out really nice. The purple turned all pink, and I really liked how that looked. And we also did some more t-shirts, and for this we actually used a technique that worked, and we just dropped some of the watered down paint onto the t-shirts after tying them up, of course. It was a lot of fun. Also, the friend at whose house I'm here, we also did a thrift video together. I'll link it if you want to watch that. That was also a lot of fun. But yeah, here I am just dripping some paint onto the t-shirts. It looks very satisfying. Then we just wash them out, and this is the final result. Yeah, I really like how this turned out. It's like a really nice big oversized t-shirt, and I think the pattern with like the little spirals turned out very cool. So yeah, really happy with that. Okay, this last project definitely took the most time. I decided I wanted to replicate my channel logo using embroidery. So I spent a lot of hours embroidering. Of course, I first drew out the entire picture, and then I just used whatever colors I had because all the shops were closed, so I couldn't get any new yarn, but I just used the colors I had to fill everything in. And yeah, it was a lot of work, but I'm really happy with how the result was, and it was also very relaxing and satisfying to do, especially when you finally see it all come together. And I'll definitely be using this as room decor. Like here, I think it looks really nice. Okay, guys, this was already the end of this video. These are some of the things I've been up to. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe, and bye bye!